everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I want to welcome you all back to my channel, me and mine. If you're a new subscriber, welcome and thank you for subscribing, okay? I really do appreciate your subscriptions. I've got 49 subscribers. I'm on the road to 50. Please, if you know anyone that might be interested in this, please do share, okay? But I just wanted to check in with everybody because I know it's been a while since my last upload. Please don't mind me. I've got so much going on right now with the decorating and looking after the girls. Hence why I'm shooting this video whilst doing some household chores, because once I've done this, I'm going to get decorating the hallway. Okay, I've got to finish painting the hallway. My lodger is coming to see me on Friday. He's actually going to be moving in, I believe. So I've got to make sure my front room is sorted for Friday. So right about now, I've got so much going on. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with everybody, and I hope you lot have seen my business registration video, okay, the first one. If you haven't, please go ahead and watch that video before you continue with this one, because the next clip is going to be part 2, okay, and part 2 concludes the whole business registration fiasco, alright, so I do hope you enjoy that video. So, I am pleased to say that the issue with my TRN has been resolved, courtesy of Maureen, the Director of Tropical Connections. I don't know what I would have done without Maureen. When I sent her the email, she got onto the company's office as soon as she could, and within a week, my TRN issue was sorted, okay, with the utmost professionalism. So thank you, Maureen. So what we're going to do now is we're going to continue with the business registration. And yes, you can see here that my business name is JA Land and Property Services. I won't be giving you any information with regards to what my business is about. That will be done in another video, okay? So what we're going to do now is just continue with the registration. Now all of the form has been completed, the next step is to actually sign the form. Obviously it's an electronic signature because we're doing it via the company's office website, okay? So here I was actually just going through the form, just ensuring that all details had been inputted correctly and that there were no errors. So now I've checked the form. I feel like I'm happy with the details. I'm ready to actually submit my signature. So that's what we're going to do now. And voila. So I guess the next step is for security, okay? So once I've pressed that button, they send you a secret phrase via email, and what I had to do was to copy and paste the secret phrase from my email onto the form. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, the status of my form is signed. Okay, it's telling me that the form has been signed with my signature, but I felt like it hadn't been signed because I was expecting, like, you know, when you get a delivery and they make you do your signature with the electronic pen and the iPad, I was expecting something like that. And because that didn't happen, I opted to go back and view the form just to make sure all was well. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just viewing the form again just to make sure it is definitely signed, because after that TRN issue, I don't want any more obstacles. Okay, the final step, guys, was to make payment. Okay, obviously, registering your business isn't free and you need to pay for it. So, my application form was in my cart and I went to my cart so I could submit payment. As you can see there, the application fee is 2.5 grand. That's 2,500 Jamaican dollars, which worked out to be approximately 14 English pounds, which is next to nothing, really and truly, in Britain. So, yes, it's very affordable, I would say, to register a business in Jamaica. It's also affordable to register your business here in the UK, because to register your business name here in London, or in the UK, I should say, is £12, okay? £2 cheaper, all right? But yeah, that's done now. Okay, after submitting payment, you need to actually decide how you want to collect your certificate, and I've opted to pick mine up from the office. Successfully been registered. I praise the Most High. Okay, so that's been submitted and it's in review. I'm waiting for Jamaica to get back to me and let me know all is well, and I can pick up my documents when I'm ready. Obviously, I can't pick up my documents until I'm on the island, so what I've done is I've opted to collect my documents from the St Andrew office. So that's one of the first things I will be doing when I get to Jamaica in October, okay? And I will be bringing you along for that journey. So next step for me is to promote the business. I'm not going to give you any information about the business yet. I want to do that in a separate video and I want to do it properly, okay? So meanwhile, I'm going to complete the painting of my hallway. I hope you are all doing well and I wish you all a wonderful week and I hope to see you all soon, okay? Thank you guys from me and mine.